Good morning! This is Nutritionist Nikki Golly with Fuel Your Body, and I am at my favorite Saltless Saturday prep spot. I am at POW, Produce on Wheels Without Waste, owned by Borderlands Food Bank. And I just wanted to give you an idea of some of the amazing stuff we are getting today. Oop, we're crossing some stuff off right now, but you gotta get here early. But today's produce, you get 4 acorn squash, 3 spaghetti squash, green beans if I got here earlier, corn, Anaheim chilies, orange bell peppers, oranges, Roma tomatoes, round tomatoes, cucumbers, eggplants, and a bag of salad. All of those you can get for a donation of $10. That's typically 60 pounds of produce. Looks like it might be a little bit less because I'm here at 8 instead of 7. Imagine, I used to come at 11 o'clock and there would still be enough food. But right now, here, let me turn around and see some of the people here. Look how many people, because of amazing people just like you, spreading the word on getting food out. And you can get all this nutritious food for $10, like I said, a donation of $10. And all the food that we get here have been salvaged from a grocery store. So basically in Nogales, they would come to the grocery store or come across the border, and the grocery store doesn't take it for various reasons. Either there's blemishes, or it doesn't look beautiful, it doesn't look perfect what you want to buy in a grocery store. So they say, no, we don't want it. So what happens is normally the entire truckload or pallet would just be hauled off to the landfill. Crazy, right? There's so much food out there that gets thrown to the landfill. So this company, Borderlands Food Bank, salvages that and warehouses it and then distributes it to places across Phoenix and Tucson. And check below, I will actually post a picture of all the places you can go today. It'll be different it's the same every week or every month. Like this is the first Saturday of January, so the first Saturday of, well, I guess it's the first Saturday, yes it is. Happy New Year, by the way. The first Saturday of February it'll be back in this spot. Right now I am at Northern and 19th Avenue, just north of Northern, at a church parking lot, and it is fantastic. So come check it out. Prep for Saltless Saturday and get some real food for you and your family. Alright? This is Nutritionist Nikki Golly, and happy Saltless Saturday.